Hello friends, this eggless date and walnut cake is a very easy cake that is so perfectly moist and delicious thanks to the addition of dates and walnuts. It is dairy free, egg free and a healthy choice with the addition of dates and walnuts, two foods with high nutritional value. And it is perfect to grace your dining table during festive occasions. So let's start right away. First, let's get 250-gram dates. Remove the seeds and slice them as preferred. Next, we will add 400 ml warm soya milk or any plant-based milk to the sliced dates and leave them aside for about 1 hour to soften the dates. In the meantime, let's chop about 100 grams walnuts to add crunchiness to our cake. The measurements in grams and cups are provided in the description below. Now we are ready to put the ingredients together. We will get 200 grams butter and 200 grams brown sugar. Beat the butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. You can do this with a spatula or a handheld mixer like this. Once the ingredients are fluffy, we can add 375 grams self-raising flour. Sieve the flour and 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda into the same bowl. Next, fold in the flour lightly with a spatula. Then add the pre-soaked dates together with soya milk. Fold in lightly without overbeating. And finally, add in the chopped walnuts. I forgot to record this part. Please make sure you add the walnuts. Give it a good mix so all the ingredients are well mixed in the batter. Now we are ready to bake. Make sure the oven has been preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 10 minutes. This batter is suitable for two 9-inch baking trays. Pour the batter into two greased round trays. I used a 9-inch flour tray and a 9-inch round tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Bake for another 10 to 15 minutes if the center is still uncooked. Allow the cake to cool down, then either cut or decorate with vanilla frosting. Today I'm adding a simple vanilla frosting to the cake. For vanilla frosting, add 50 gram butter to a stand mixer and beat at the lower speed for 10 minutes. Then add 1.5 cups of icing sugar. But do this gradually, half cup at a time, until you get a stiff consistency. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat another 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can pipe the frosting onto the cake. Let your creativity run wild and pipe any designs that you prefer. I'm adding some cherries at the top of the cake for some extra color. There you have it, a beautiful cake that is surprisingly so tasty and moist. It is hard to believe that this cake is egg-free and dairy-free, and it is such a simple cake that you would want to make again and again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy cooking and happy Deepavali to all who are celebrating this festival.